In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix the allow camera access option missing for an app on iPhone. Intro. First, open settings and then go down to where it says privacy and security and then select camera from right here. Make sure the app is turned on, but if the app isn't listed, open the app you're trying to use and try using its camera feature. When iPhone asks for permission, tap allow. If that still doesn't work, go to settings main page and then go down to where it says screen time, tap on this, and go to content and privacy restrictions. Then from here, press allowed apps and features and make sure that camera is enabled. Next, go ahead and open the App Store, tap your profile, go to app updates, and update the affected app if an update is available. You should also restart your iPhone, and once it's restarted, check for an iOS update under settings and then general and then software update. If the problem continues, delete and reinstall the app. As a final step, if none of these work, go back to the general tab in settings, scroll all the way down and go to transfer or reset iPhone, press reset, then press reset location and privacy. This resets app permissions without deleting your personal data. If your iPhone is managed by a school or workplace, camera access may also be restricted by the organization. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.